Hi and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. I've got myself a new gadget. I've got myself another camera. I know it says law enforcement on the top, and no, I haven't joined the police force. I just got myself a body cam. I don't know about you, but when I'm out recording in public spaces, I feel a bit self-conscious when I've got a big camera in front of me. So I thought, get myself a body cam. Now, I have got myself a GoPro, or a No Pro. I don't think it's a branded one, which is fine, but you've got a big strap you put on to wear it and that sort of thing. This thing will just clip on your clothing or coat, whatever. I think it's even got a magnetic strip on the back, so you can actually place it somewhere. It's also got infrared night vision on it. And the thing I do like about it, I'll show you, it's got an adjustable camera angle. Just get it out of the box. There you go, still got the plastic on it. But there's your camera there. And there's your clip. But you can turn the camera all the way around. So you can put it on and adjust the camera down where you want it. Also, you've got a screen so you can see what you're recording if you want to hold it. It's also got a fitting on the back so you can fit a tripod. USB-C connector at the bottom for charging, and also, I presume, transferring data. And of course, it takes a memory card in the side there. But yeah, that is basically it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a memory card for it. So I got the memory. I think I might have one laid about. I'll try it. I'm going to get a memory card for it. We're going away this coming weekend. So I'm going to go into town somewhere where we are and record it and see what it comes out like. I'm not quite sure whether to put it up or not, depending on what it looks like. It might look terrible, but then again, it might be an idea just to show a bit of that and say, well, this is what happened when I tried it. So I think I'll make some footage on this next week when we're away, and I'll put it up and we'll see how it goes. So until then, bye for now.